Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KN News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about Laila Majnu, Avinash Tiwari, recalls embarrassing moment when he accidentally hit Amitabh Bachchan on youth set and fortunately it only hit him on his head. Avinash Tiwari recently recalled that he once hit Amitabh Bachchan on his head while they were shooting for their show Youth, which embarrassed him. Amitabh Bachchan, who debuted in 1969, had a role over Hindi cinema, from defining the 70s as the angry young man to inspiring actor to experiment with his diverse roles in the last 2 decades. He was made a sacrifice place in the heart of the audience. Recently, Laila Majnu from Avinash Tiwari revealed he once accidentally hit the veteran actor on his head while shooting for their show Yudh, and he still feels embarrassed about it. In a recent conversation at the second edition of Screen Live, Avinash Tiwari discussed one embarrassing yet humbling experience from his time to a lots of TV series. Youth into 40 recalled that the first time he met Amitabh Bachchan, they had to an action from a punch by the veteran actor. The Tiwari punched back with the face and hit big beyond his head. Recounting the incident he had described in the scan, he had punched me and I was supposed to duck and hit him back, and fortunately I only hit him on his head. But the embarrassment I felt at that time, the embarrassment from the incident of accidentally hitting still linger with Avinash. He revealed that the set fell silent after his hit and they could not compile what to do. Consequently, he punched without realizing the shot was already messed up. As one has understood the situation in instantly apologized to Bachchan. He said, "Just shoot hit me on the head. I apologize, and in my nervousness, I asked him if we should go on rehearsal, and she, still holding the back of his head, looked at me like, from where have you gotten his guy?" He said, "But you will to do." Slowly recalled to Laila Majnu actor. He added that the Pico actor explained to him that action is similar to a choreography and they just needed to dance or follow it, and the advice has stuck with Avinash over the years. Avinash Tiwari is currently gearing up with a Netflix film Sikandar Ka Muqaddar, which will be released on Netflix on November 29, 2024. It is based on a Heroes movie in 2008 and helmed in a Niraj Pandey co-starring a Tamanna Bhatti and a Jimmy Shergill. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do like this video, have a nice time.